Feel. Sometimes the hardest feeling is wanting someone who doesn't want you back. You replay conversations. You wonder what you did wrong. You think, if I just say the right thing, if I just try a little harder, maybe she'll finally see me. And the silence feels heavy. Feel? Not because she rejected you, but because you hoped. And hope, when it isn't returned, can feel like heartbreak. If you're watching this, you're not weak. You're human. You cared. And that matters. But today, we're going to talk about something real. Feel? How to actually attract a girl who doesn't like you. Not by chasing, not by manipulating, not by pretending to be someone you're not, but by understanding something deeper. When someone doesn't like us back, our brain treats it like loss. Feel? Rejection activates the same pain centers as physical injury. That's why it hurts more than it should. And here's another truth. We don't just want the person. We want the validation. We want to feel chosen, seen, valued. So when she doesn't feel the same, it feels personal. Feel? Your mind starts asking, am I not attractive enough? Not confident enough? Not good enough? But attraction is not a reward for effort. It's emotional chemistry. And chemistry is not logical. You can be kind, funny, successful, feel, and still not be her type. That doesn't reduce your value. It just means alignment isn't there. But here's where most people make a mistake. They try to convince. They overtext, overexplain, overshow interest. And the more they lean forward, the more the other person leans back. Not because you're bad, because pressure kills curiosity. Attraction grows in space, not in force. Let me say something calmly. You cannot make someone like you, but you can become someone who is naturally attractive. There's a difference. One is chasing approval. The other is building presence. Attraction is not created by saying the perfect line. Feel? It's created by how someone feels around you. Do they feel calm? Do they feel safe? Do they feel that you have a life beyond them? Most people try to attract by focusing on her, but real attraction starts when you focus on yourself, not in a selfish way, in a grounded way. If she feels that your happiness depends on her response, that creates pressure. If she feels that you like her, but you'll be okay either way, that creates respect. Confidence is not loud, it's quiet. It's the energy of someone who knows, I'd love this, feel, but I don't need this. And that energy changes everything. Now let's talk about what you can actually do. Not to manipulate, but to grow. Step 1. Stop trying to convince. If she has shown low interest, match that energy. Don't chase and panic. Feel? Just pull back calmly. Give space. If she's meant to feel something, space will allow it. If not, you protect your dignity. Step 2. Improve your life. Not for her. Start working out. Not to impress her. To feel strong, work on your career. Not to prove your worth, feel, but to build stability. Build friendships, hobbies, experiences. Attraction grows when you have a life. When someone sees that you are fulfilled, without them, they start to see you differently. People are drawn to momentum, feel, not neediness. Step 3, fix your inner dialogue. If you secretly believe, she's out of my league, she's better than me, you will act small around her, and people feel that. Replace it with something simple. She's great, and so am I. Feel? No pedestal, no worship, just respect. Step 4, communicate calmly. If you ever express interest again, do it once. Clear, simple. I enjoy talking to you. If you'd like to grab coffee sometime, let me know. And then, stop. No follow-up pressure, let her choose. Attraction cannot grow where choice is taken away. Step 5, accept the outcome. This is the hardest part. Sometimes she still won't like you. And that's okay, because your goal is not to win one person. Feel. Your goal is to become someone who doesn't collapse over one opinion. The moment you stop needing her validation, you become more attractive. To her, or to someone better aligned. Here's something most people don't realize. When you try too hard to attract someone who doesn't like you, you are often ignoring someone who would. We get stuck chasing what feels unavailable, because it feels like a challenge. But love is not supposed to feel like a competition. Real attraction feels mutual, easy, calm, not confusing, not one-sided. And when you raise your standards, you stop trying to be chosen. You start choosing. That shift alone changes your energy. If she doesn't like you right now, don't shrink, don't beg, don't perform. Grow, heal, build, smile, feel. Live your life in a way that makes you proud, even if she never looks your way. Because the right person won't need convincing. They won't need pressure. They won't need you to prove your worth. They will feel it. And so will you. Remember this, you don't attract by chasing. You attract by becoming. This is your phase, the healing phase. And you are not behind. You are building quietly, strongly, and the right connection will meet you at that level.